Now I am making a Chinese food. First we start with the noodles. It is a rice noodle, mixed noodle, chicken and egg mixed noodle. I'll show you the ingredients. This is the ingredients: cabbage, beans, onion, egg, capsicum, this is a color capsicum, carrot and raw chicken. This is raw chicken without bone. This is rice noodle, it's ready-made, available in the market, and soya sauce. This is the ingredients. When water is boiled, add the rice noodle first. It has to dipped in the hot water. The noodles is cooked, the rice noodle is cooked. Strain the rice noodle. Strain the rice noodle. Add little oil in the noodles, little bit of oil, very little oil in the noodles, and put it on the plate. Let it be cool. In the fry pan, add little oil. Saute the chicken. Add little water. Cook the chicken first. Strain the chicken. So the chicken is boiled. Add oil in the fry pan. Add onion, capsicum, carrot, cabbage, beans. Put little more oil. Add egg. Add egg in the noodles. Add boiled chicken. Then we add rice noodle. Mix. Add little salt, pepper powder, little bit brown sugar, soya, Now the noodles is ready. Add little spring onion. Now the noodles, put up the flame. Noodles is ready to serve. Put the mixed noodle in the plate. Sprinkle with leeks and spring onion.